Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 5th of June 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, Atlantic Gulf and Pacific Company of Manila has committed to boost the planned offshore wind market in the Philippines with, quote, critical support, according to the Department of Energy. The support services include port infrastructure, logistics, fabrication, and workforce development, which the agency said were key enablers in the realization of offshore wind farms. The Philippines hopes to increase the share of renewables energy in the electricity generation mix. They plan to go up to 35% by 2030 from the current 22%. The Caribbean region is ideally suited for onshore and offshore wind energy, and wind power deployment is gaining momentum across the region. Jamaica has over 40 megawatts of wind capacity, while the Dominican Republic leads the region with over 200 megawatts. Barbados has also embarked on a public-private partnership for a 50-megawatt wind farm. This would be the largest in the Eastern Caribbean to date. Geotechnical studies for the site have already been completed. According to the IAA, global energy investment will reach a record $3.3 trillion this year, with an annual increase of 2%. This will be driven by clean and low-emission energy investment, which will account for two-thirds of the total. Investment in the electricity sector as a whole will take the cake, with $1.5 trillion. This will be led by spending on solar energy with $450 billion, and it will be the segment that will attract the most investment worldwide next year. A research collaboration between UK-based Renewable Parts Limited, SSE Renewables, and the National Manufacturing Institute Scotland has demonstrated the potential to remanufacture critical onshore wind turbine components via additive manufacturing. By restoring worn or damaged parts to their original specification, the partners aim to drastically cut waste, reduce carbon emissions, and extend part life. Slovenia will provide €64.5 million to support installing new solar and wind energy systems. The tender will enable investments in new electricity generation facilities, including the possibility of energy storage. The funds will be released once the country implements its updated National Energy and Climate Plan, adopted in December 2024. Among other goals, the plan aims to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 55% by 2030. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.